Hi children, I am meeting you all after 1 week. Hope the previous week was good for all of you. Hope you all are watching the videos uploaded by subject teachers. Okay. Do you need a recap? Yes. Now Kirti is going to recall what you have studied in the last class.
I am Kirti from 10D. Last class we discussed about the algebraic form of an arithmetic sequence. The algebraic form of an arithmetic sequence equal to a(n plus b. Here a denotes the common difference, and we also discussed about the number of terms. Number of terms equal to last term minus first term by common difference plus 1.
Very good Kirti. Okay. The next topic is sum of an arithmetic sequence. I will give you an example. 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. 10 is an arithmetic sequence. So what is the sum of the sequence? That is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus etc. plus 10, which is equal to 55. Okay, I will give you another example. 4, 8, 12, etc. 96 is an arithmetic sequence. How can we find out the sum? It is difficult to find the sum like this. Okay, so there we have to use a formula, that is S equal to, that means sum, S equal to n by 2 into first term plus last term. So we already know that first term denoted as x1, n by 2 into x1 plus the last term is xn, n by 2 into x1 plus xn. So in this sequence we know that x1 is 4, xn is 96. Then we have to find out n. N means number of terms. Number of terms, how can we find out number of terms? N equal to xn minus x1 by d plus 1. So xn is 96. 96 minus x1 is 4 divided by the common difference. Common difference is, what is the common difference? Common difference is 4 plus 1, that is 92 by 4 plus 1. Okay, 92 by 4 is 23. 23 plus 1, which is equal to 24. So the number of terms in the sequence is 24. Okay, so n equal to 24. 24 by 2 into x1. x1 is 4 plus xn is 96. 24 by 2, 12. 12 into 4 plus 96, that is 100. So 1200. So the sum of the sequence of this sequence is 1200. Is it clear? Next problem. Find the sum of 15, 20, 25, etc. 125. So here, what is the first term? That is x1. x1 equal to 15. And the last term xn. xn equal to 125. And the common difference d equal to 20 minus 15. That is equal to 5. Then we have to find out the sum. S equal to n by 2 into x1 plus xn. So here we have to find out n, that is number of terms, n equal to xn minus x1 by d plus 1. So what is xn? 125. 125 minus x1. x1 is 15 by 5 plus 1. So the answer is 125 minus 15 is 110. 110 by 5 plus 1 equal to 22. 22 plus 1 which is equal to 23. So, in this sequence, number of terms is 23. Okay, next we have to find out sum. So, n equal to 23. 23 by 2 into x1. x1 is 15 plus xn. xn is 125. Okay, 23 by 2 into 15 plus 125. That is 140. Okay, we can cancel 2 and 140 70 times. So the answer is 23 into 70. That is 1610. Okay, sum of this sequence is 1610. Next problem. Find the sum of first 20 terms of 1, 6, 11, etc. Okay, so here we have to find out the sum of first 20 terms. So 20th term is the last term of this sequence. Okay, so x1, the first term is 1. Then x20 equal to f plus 20 minus 1 into d. F, the first term is 1. 1 plus 90 into common difference. What is the common difference of the sequence? It is 5. That is 1 plus 90 into 5. 1 plus 95. That is 96. That is x20 equal to 96. What is n? That is number of terms equal to 20. Okay. Then we have to find out sum of this sequence. S equal to n by 2 into x1 plus xn. That is 20 by 2 into x1. That is 1 plus xn. xn means x20. That is 96. 20 by 2 into 97. 20 by 2, 10. 10 into 97. 970. So, sum of this sequence is 970. We can calculate the sum of the arithmetic sequence in another way. That is, S equal to n by 2 into 2f plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. So, n, that is number of terms. Number of terms in the sequence is 20. N equal to 20. F is the first term. First term equal to 1. And the common difference equal to 5. Okay. Sum equal to n by 2. That is 20 by 2 into 2 into f. 2 into 1 plus n minus 1, that is 20 minus 1 into d, that is 5. Okay, 20 by 2 into 2 plus 19 into 5. 20 by 2, 10. 10 into 2 plus 19 into 5 is 95. That is 10 into 97. So 970. So sum of the sequence is 917. So here last term is not given in this sequence. So it is easy to find out the answer by using this formula. Next problem. The sum of the first 4 terms is 300. First term is 30. Find the first 4 terms of the arithmetic sequence. So here what is given in the question? That is sum of the first 4 terms is 300. That means S4 equal to 300. Okay. Can you tell me what is the number of terms in the sequence? That is n equal to 4. Then first term f equal to 30. Then here we have to find out the common difference. Okay. sum S equal to n by 2 into 2f plus n minus 1 into d. That is S, the sum of 4 terms. S4 equal to 4 by 2 into 2 into f. F equal to 30 plus n minus 1. What is n? N equal to 4. 4 minus 1 into d. S4. S4 is 300. 300 equal to 4 by 2, 2. 2 into 30, 60. Plus 4 minus 1, that is 3. 3d. Okay. 300 equal to 2 into 60 plus 3d. Then we can change this 2 to this side. 300 by 2 equal to 60 plus 3d. 300 by 2, 150. 150 equal to 60 plus 3d. So 3d equal to 150 minus 60, that is 90. So d equal to 90 by 3, which is equal to 30. So the common difference equal to 30. Here we have to find out first 4 terms of the arithmetic sequence. The 4 terms are first term is 30 and the second term is 30 plus 30, 60, then 90, then 120. So the 4 terms are 30, 60, 90 and 120. Next problem. The expression for the sum to n terms of the arithmetic sequence is n square plus 2n. Find the expression for the nth term. So in this question given the expression for the sum to n terms of the arithmetic sequence, that is n square plus 2n. That means Sn equal to n square plus 2n. Sn means sum to n terms. Okay. Next, here we have to find out the expression for the nth term. That means nth term of an arithmetic sequence. So here at first we have to find out the first term and common difference. Here we have to substitute n equal to 1. S1 equal to 1 square plus 2 into 1. That is 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3. S1 equal to 3. That means sum of first term. That means x1. S1 equal to x1, which is equal to 3. So the first term is 3. Next we have to substitute n equal to 2. S2 equal to 2 square plus 2 into 2. That is 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. S2 means sum of first 2 terms. That means x1 plus x2. S2 equal to x1 plus x2, which is equal to 8. x1 is 3. 3 plus x2 equal to 8. So x2 equal to 8 minus 3, which is equal to 5. So the first term is 3, second term is 5. So what is the common difference? Common difference d equal to x2 minus x1. So 5 minus 3, which is equal to 2. Common difference equal to 2. Then we have to find out the nth term of the arithmetic sequence. That is xn. Xn equal to f plus n minus 1 into d. F, the first term is 3. 3 plus n minus 1 into d. What is the common difference? 2. Okay. 3 plus n into 2, 2n. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2. So the answer is 2n 3 minus 2, 1. 2n plus 1. The nth term of this arithmetic sequence is 2n plus 1. Today we discussed on sum to n terms. Sn equal to n by 2 into x1 plus xn, or Sn equal to n by 2 into 2f plus n minus 1 into d. Now we have completed our first chapter. Go through all the topics and work out all the problems. See you in the next class. Thank you.